my God, your teeth is so lovely. Oh, where did you have this done? This is an excellent job done. Hi, my name is Charmine. I am from London, UK, and I came to Turkey to have my teeth done. Before I came here, I started doing research on Google, and lo and behold, I came across Myra, and I decided to basically give them a ring, had my consultation done, booked my flight, came over. They were very accommodative to me, and I had my consultation, and the work starts from there. Oh, during the working period, I was a little bit nervous until eventually I got, they made me feel comfortable and started getting the work done. And I had my implants done. I had 3 implants. I had crown, and I also have a bridge done. And the job was fantastic. I came back 3 times. The first one was when I had the implant done. The second time, just to check to see everything is okay. The third time, then I had the complete work finished, and it was an excellent job done. Beautiful, and I would actually encourage anyone, if they want to actually come and have their teeth done, here would be the perfect place to have it done, because everything was just done fantastic. And now I'm going back to London smiling because it's just a fantastic job. Excellent. Basically, I started checking the old ones coming straight up, so I checked the entire thing, and the reviews were excellent. So that is when I decided I'm going to choose Myra because of the excellent reviews. And the reason for that, because as I said before, I've never seen any negative review, to be honest with you. And even if there was a negative review, I would have to definitely come and have my experience, because the positive would have outweighed the negative. That's just it. I did have a crack on my front tooth, so that was just an eyesore, to be honest. And then I did have my bridge need redoing, so that was just another thing again, really. So and then the enamel of my teeth was actually eroding, so having it crowned would be the excellent job to do. As I said before, I was feeling a little bit nervous, to be honest, because I don't really like needles, to be honest. But eventually, the dentist, just let me feel comfortable and all of that, really. So eventually I started feeling relaxed. The moment I sat in the chair, everything started. I started feeling at home. Excellent. It's home away from home. That's the only way I can able to describe it. It's home away from home. You feel pretty comfortable. You don't even feel as if you're basically in a dentist chair, to be honest. It is just excellent, just lovely. Oh my God, words cannot describe. I was basically, let us use this word, over the moon. I was over the moon. It was excellent, excellent job done. It was better than I expected it to be. That's all. Oh, indeed, beyond the shadow of a doubt, I would definitely recommend Myra to anyone. Even on my way here, I saw 2 ladies coming over, and I said to them, by chance, were you having your teeth done? Then they said something. I said, okay, fine, I'll just let you. So put them on the website. I said, go ahead and check it out just in case. If you like my smile, you can get it done just this way, just the way it is. Beautiful smile. I'm so happy. I said over and over, a lot of people would not understand. This is one of my highlights in my life. Because as I said before, when I had it done in London, I was, even my cleaning, doing cleaning, no one touches my teeth in London. No, it's not happening. Here I'm coming. No one touches it. I said, no, they didn't. I remember I went to a dentist once, and I said to them, that was I think it was before I came, after I came here, and was feeling a little pain, just a little pain. So I was just wondering what was happening. Yeah. So I went there, and they said, okay, oh my God, your teeth is so lovely. Oh, where did you have this done? And and I was like, And I said, oh my God, I'm still not telling them where I have it done. And they were looking at it, and they look at the pictures of it, and they said, oh my God, this is an excellent job done. Where did you get this? And I refused from answering until I get my thing finished. They looked at it and said, no, everything is all right. And I said, well, fortunate, I get it done in Turkey. They were, and I'm saying to myself, oh yeah, I came here, you could not offer me that service, but now you can able to sit back and look. And they're so angry because they don't really like when anything happens, we go to them. They don't want to, because the very moment you say to them, oh, you have it done in Turkey, oh no, we can't deal with this and all of that. So I said to myself, anything happen, I'm back here. One little shake, I'm on the internet, I'm calling you again. I'm on the next flight. Because I enjoy coming here. When I came here the first time, I think it was in 2017, 2018, somewhere along there. Man, I've never been here before, but just the plane was, coming down. I said to my partner, I said, I'm gonna like this country, I'm gonna like this place, I'm gonna love this place. Before I even touched down, to be honest.
Now?
Oh, I'll be here every day, soon move over, soon buy an apartment here and move over.
You are so
Yeah, but I'm so, I'm really grateful, I'm very happy, I was so excited to be back, so, ta-da.